Hello everyone, myself Crystal, currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in Department of CSE AI. In this video we will learn how to write a program of the Magic 8 Ball using a list. Magic 8 Ball program in Python. The Magic 8 Ball is a toy used for fortune telling or seeking advice. In Python we can recreate this by using a list of possible answers and selecting one randomly each time a user asks a question. This program is an excellent exercise for learning about lists, user input, and importing libraries or modules in Python. How the Magic 8 Ball works. The user poses a yes or no question. The ball is physically shaken, mixing the liquid inside. A 20-sided die inside the ball floats to the top, displaying one of the 20 possible answers. Example: yes, no, ask again later, etc. Replicating with programming. The concept of the Magic 8 Ball can be easily replicated in programming. First, create a list of fixed responses. Use a random number generator to select one response from the list. Output the selected response when the user inputs a question. Steps to implement 8-ball program in Python. First step is to import necessary libraries. Import the random library or module to help generate random responses. Create a list of responses. So in this code, we will see that first we are going to import the random module. This generates random responses when the user inputs a question. Next we will make a list of responses or messages like the following over here: it is certain, it is decidedly so, yes, definitely, etc. Anything that we want. Next step is the program structure. The program will continuously ask the user to enter a question and then provide a random answer from the list. The loop will continue until the user decides to stop asking questions. So let's see the next part of the code. While true, question equals input, ask the magical 8 ball a question, type exit to quit. If question.lower equals exit, print goodbye, break, else print magic 8 ball says random.choice of responses. So in this part of the code, the while loop keeps executing the program until the user types exit. Here under the while loop we have a block of code. Question equals input, ask the magical 8 ball a question, type exit to quit. So when the user inputs a question, this random.choice of responses, it will print one of the messages in this list. Any messages with the help of the random module, any random messages will be printed. So we have a if condition in this while loop. If question.lower, lower represents lower case, equals exit, print goodbye. So the if condition says that if exit is typed by the user, then this print statement, the print goodbye statement will be given as the output and the while loop will end over there. If the user inputs any questions, this else condition will be printed. The statement under the else condition, magic 8 ball says random.choice of responses. This statement will be printed. So the statement will be like magic 8 ball says, and any random message from this list will be printed over here. Here's the simulation of what might happen when this code runs with different user inputs. So here are the examples. User input. If the user inputs, will I get a promotion this year? Since this is not a exit state, the user didn't input any exit, the else code will be executed. So the magic 8 ball says yes, definitely. One of the random messages from the list has been printed over here. Next example, user input, is it going to rain tomorrow? Magic 8 ball says don't count on it. So when the user input is exit, then the output will be goodbye, because this if statement is going to be executed, and this, so in the if statement the condition is if the user inputs exit, then this goodbye message will be printed, hence the output is goodbye. This is the whole program. So let's go through it again. First, import the random module, create a list of messages, any messages that we want. Next, under the while loop, question is equal to input. This statement is for the user input. Under the while loop we have if and else condition. If question.lower equals exit. So if the user inputs exit, then the print goodbye statement, goodbye will be printed, and the while loop will end over there. Else if the user inputs any question, the statement under the else condition will be printed, magic 8 ball says, and any of these messages from the list will be printed. So this is the magic 8 ball program. Summary: lists useful for storing and organizing collection of data. They are versatile and allow for easy manipulation such as adding, removing or accessing elements. Random.choice, a Python function that helps in making random selections from a list, providing a simple way to add variability or randomness to your program. Thank you all for watching the video.